Hi, my name is Prerna Ajay. I'm taking care of training function, one of the German-based organizations. Along with being a trainer, I'm also a mother of two beautiful and adorable girls. Where I wear my motherhood hat, and I wonder, with this unprecedented world where things are changing so fast, and everything is new with this new COVID situation coming into picture, how do I as a mother, and how do I make my children also capable enough to face the maze of life that will be coming into future? How do I make them future ready? What skills should be developed for the children so that they are capable enough to cope up with the changes and with the evolutions that would be there maybe in 2050 when they would be ready to take up new jobs and new activities. So with this, when I wandered and I did some research regarding this, backed by the institutes in US and in other developing and developed countries, then there were 2-3 core areas and skills that I thought would be also good to share with all of you, should be developed within our children. To start with, the core and the underlying skill which everybody, be it the parents, be it the employers, be it the schools, teachers, they put their finger on was problem solving skill. Problem solving skill is one of the core skills that need to be developed within our children, only because so that they are able to solve and think critically and analytically and pave their path through the maze of life that they would be facing in future. We would not be there every time to handhold them, so we have to make them self-capable to do these things. How do we develop this in our kids? Problem solving, if not in schools and not in the academics that they learn, how as a parent we can develop it? Small activities we can do with them. When they're asking you a question, focus on why and what if. If some kid is asking you, or your kid is asking you a question as to why this is happening to me, reverse the question to them, be a coach to them, and ask them, what do you think? Why is this happening to you? What if this would have not happened to you? Let them come up with the answer. Let them think about it. It can be right, it can be wrong. There is no right and wrong answer when you are making them and trying to develop them in this area. So let them come up with the answer, and that would add on to their thinking capabilities. Next skill that came into light, or one of the critical skills that was highlighted, is communication skills. Communicating is a common skill which we say today also it's very important, but communicating the same language, communicating properly, communicating so that what they are trying to say is being heard the same way by the other person. And also with communication comes listening, not only speaking skills. So how do they also listen? How can you make them capable of listening? Small activity that you can do at home is, as a parent and a child, we tend to spend some time play with the kid. So blindfold either the kid. That would encourage their listening skill, and if you blindfold yourself and ask your kid to navigate you through the house, that would also increase their communication skill, and they would be able to focus on what to do, what to tell you, so that you are able to navigate properly around the house, and so on and so forth. So these are small activities that you can do. And the third and very critical skill that is also highlighted is being a team player. Nobody will be working in silos. Though we say we are getting into a virtual world and it is gig management and everybody would be doing their own thing, having said that, every organization today is looking at somebody who is a team player, who is able to work together, collaborate together. Whether you are on a virtual environment or you are working together, you have to work, you have to connect, you have to network. So being a team player is also one of the key skills, and you can, with small activities like cooking together. Kids enjoy baking, cooking. So you can invite their friends over and give them different responsibilities. This would also enhance their leadership skills, taking responsibilities and accountabilities, seeing what to do, when to do, what activity is pertaining to what. And it would also encourage them to listen to different perspectives. Everybody, if 4 people are working in a team, they would not be having common thought process, common views. So it would also give them different perspectives. So these are few skills that is needed to be developed in the kids, which as parents we can focus on and we should focus on to make our kids future ready.